Welcome back to our channel. I'm really excited to be kicking off the new year with a house tour. I hope you enjoy getting to see the layout and some of the design ideas that we have. I'm standing here in the front entryway of the house, and I'm going to turn you around so you can see our living room. This is where we're going to have our couch, our wood stove, and hopefully hang out here quite a bit. Right inside the front door, we have the stairs to the second level. And for those of you who are new, we're putting a slide right in there next to the staircase. That'll be kind of fun. Take you into the kitchen. We're going to have cabinets in the fridge along this wall, oven and more cabinets along this wall. And in the middle, we're going to have an island with 2 dishwashers and the sink. That's pretty much, and seating area along the back. That's pretty much all we'll have room for. And here will be our view from the kitchen sink. We have lots of natural light. And over this way you can see we've got the dining room where we'll have a nice table that our whole family can sit at. And over here is going to be the pantry. We'll have some more cabinets in there and room for some, just appliances you want to have out. Because of the slide, we have a really large space underneath the stairs. So we're going to have a nice sized closet there and then a little play space for the kids. So thanks to everybody who suggested different options for that space. We have this closed off just to heat up this area a little bit better, but this will eventually become the mud room. We'll do cabinets and lockers. We've got a pretty cool design in mind for that. It's a good drop zone for all the kids. I'll take you back over here into the master suite. We start in the bedroom area of it. This will be our home office. And it's a little bit dark in here since we've put in all the insulation, but this will be the master bathroom. We're going to do a walk-in shower right here. And the master closet. We decided to add a laundry room area to it over here. And then we'll have hanging space. We asked you guys about this space, turning it into another room. So we'll update you guys on that once we get going. And that's pretty much it for the main level of the house. Now that we're done on the main floor, let's take you guys upstairs. Once you get upstairs, we're gonna just make this a nice cozy family room for the kids. Put a TV here, couch. We designed the plans to have a little kitchenette up in this area. And then we made a hallway to go to. We've got a bathroom this way, the kids' laundry room this way, and then the bedroom area. Thanks for watching today's video. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the house tour and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out our website if you want more information about this build, and we'll catch you on the next video.